ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shillong, it's been too long. It's Ronan Keating and I am coming back to India. Finally, I will see you there at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 19.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. It's the way you make me feel. It's better than I've ever known.
Ka Mairang Presbyterian Science College, haka khatway tarik unay wing arajar arpulay, kalapan haperda yaka College Week jong Snem arajar arpulay, kabala sedang naduk ka nriw tarik unay wing arajar arpulay, haka ba u advisor jong katanat pulia puti ke Sorkar jela uba Himalaya Shangpliang ulalong kumukongsan. Haga ni kasngi la sakhilang da u Deputy Commissioner jong ka Eastern West Khasi Hills District uba Gideon Karmau Plang uba lalong kumusumbut kongsan, ka Block Development Officer jong ka Mairang CNRD Block ka Dr. LR Nyota, ki dekhot jong ka Governing Body nalor ki wei ki bala syakhot ngobha. La pensyongkun ya katayo lekmen jong ki samla pulia jong ka ni ka college da ki Jingïarap, ki Jingruai, bat ka Jingïarap, Miss and Mr. of Mairang Presbyterian Science College.
On reaching the top, I found this is a lovely venue, a lovely atmosphere with such greens around, standing tall, this building here, all on your own efforts. The government has not come in any way to provide you any big assistance for that matter. I'm proud of the presbytery, the Mairang Presbytery, has been the biggest support for this college. The motive behind this college is just wonderful. We have heard of colleges having different studies like commerce, art, science, and so on. But the first time when the committee members came and met me, they said, this is an exclusive science college. That really moved my heart. I said, in Mairang, science college? Then Bathan Q said, yes. We have produced so many children over the years. And I'm proud that the founding members of this college, the members of the Mairang Presbytery, the members of the church, and each and every member who have had a hand with their gracious donations to create such a wonderful temple of learning. Indeed, a temple of learning. A temple of learning for just science. I'm proud to say this today, that this is the only college in the whole state of Meghalaya that provides education in mathematics. Therefore, this will be the college, this will be the place which will produce the teachers for the market. science and maths teachers for the market. If anybody really wants to come and take, they have to come all the way to Mairang, and the market is here. This is where you have invested. I must thank the committee for their investment. And my dear students, you have not done wrong by coming to this college to learn science and mathematics. Because the government is contemplating to make mathematics compulsory in school once again. Once this decision is taken, each one of you will get placements in the campus. There will be campus placements. People will come running to look for teachers from here. They want science, they want maths teachers. We want in the government also. I've been touring the whole state. I've seen schools in Kano Hills. The teachers of science and maths are mostly people from Assam and West Bengal. Can you believe that? Because we don't have local teachers. There's no local people who have degrees in science and maths. Also in our border belt of Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, you go to the schools, you'll find a maths teacher, a science teacher, mostly from West Bengal, from Bihar, and from Assam. Am I right or not? It is. You will have to replace them now. A time will come when these people will have to pack the bags and go. It will be your turn to fill those vacant posts. Therefore, taking science and maths is a big investment for you. An investment for life. Salary is high. Demand is more. The market demands more and more maths teachers on a daily basis. Therefore, my dear young friends, I'm very happy that you have taken up science. On this occasion of the college week, I think this could be the only good news that I could share to you, that you are going to be in great demand in the days to come. I'm very happy that this college is going to introduce 5 subjects as per the new education policy. And those subjects are English, Khasi, political science, education, and sociology. Now, children, I want you to make the best of it. Make the best of it. The policy, the new policy provides you to have an all-round development, to have knowledge just not about science, to also have knowledge about arts. They have prepared a memorandum today, which is addressed to the Honorable Minister of Education. And I'll be carrying this and handing over to the Honorable Minister. Last evening, I was sitting with him. I was sitting with the Honorable Minister, and I told him, tomorrow I have a program in the Mairang Science College. He said, why Science College? Then I explained to him why it is called the Presbyterian Science College of Mairang. He was saying, then we have a market for that. We also said that. He also said, Minister said the same, like I'm saying to you today. But I say, this college has not got a single penny from the government. Let us try to do something to support this college so that this college will stand tall in the days to come. And he has agreed, so I'll be carrying this memorandum. I'm sorry to say that even the college has prepared about the calendars of memorandums submitted also to the government. There are already seven memorandums. That means the Mairang science file, the file of the Mairang college must be so thick by now. Anyway, so this is the 12th one today. I can see 11 here in this fact book, and the 12th is here. So definitely something should happen. I must also place on record the services rendered by our missionaries. This is not just one. We have hundreds of schools, many colleges that has come up now, which is supported by the synod, supported by various presbyteries, and all these goes down to the roots of the Welsh missionaries. All these goes down to the roots since 1842, when the Welsh missionaries arrived in Cherrapunji. Our people neither had schools, nor had books, nor had a written language. Nothing was there. There was no language, there was no script, there was no books, there was no schools. The first thing the missionaries did was to begin to correct the situations by opening schools and introducing a written language. And my respect and my salute for this journey goes to the late Reverend Thomas Jones.